Hi, hello everyone. So in this session, we'll be looking at how to use the data that we have provided here to facilitate your own research. Of course, we have an overall Hong Kong result compiled CSV file here, but this one probably doesn't have the image segmentation results. And hypothetically speaking, we want to use the image segmentation outcome that we have already processed for you guys with the, let's say, the machine learning process that we have learned this week. So how do we do it? So first of all, we go to number one, the Google Street Views, and download this file, the Hong Kong Southern and Hong Kong Area Index. So this is a two base files that would give you the index and of all the sample points that we sampled in this 1,000 point samples. So this is 1,000 street view points that are randomly sampled in Hong Kong. And this one, each one has like area index. So, and of course you can check regarding the area index to see what is the area index for each of district. And for each area, we have sampled, let's say 1,000 points each. So those are our base index. Now, so once we have found the area we're trying to look for, hypothetically, if we're working with setting is number 15, then we come to our setting number 15 from the file Hong Kong area index. Then we come to this part, the image segmentation, and we found the number 15 setting PSP-NITE results, and please download from here. As a demonstration, I have already downloaded this. So if we open this, second, it should contain all the outcome of image segmentation from certain district. Unfortunately, one problem with this is that it doesn't have the longitude and the latitude, and we have to combine this one with the base file of our 1,000 points. How do we do it? So we just need to filter them by area index. So select the column area index here and see if you can follow my mouse here. Find it, next to the finder select, there is a sort and a filter. Open this, there is a filter. Okay. Seems like nothing has happened, but if you look closely, there is these drop-down arrows here. So area index, now you can filter this one by area index. Let's select 15. So we only keep the setting district. So now here are all the points from setting district. And if we want to compare this, just a second. So it all starts from ID 14001, 14001, and the last here about. It's pretty long, but around 50,000, 1,500. So now those are all my points in the longitude, latitude for setting. And if you check the FID, they should match 1-to-1. So now let's copy the longitude, latitude, and probably the angles over. First off, just insert. So we leave 3 columns for the angle, longitude, angle, longitude, latitude. Make sure you select everything. Right click, copy, and paste. Now here you have a PSP-NITE file with all the points, segmentation results, and the coordinates for a setting district. I'm just going to save this one. Next step is we're going to insert our prediction outcome, for example, like the ecological values and enclosure values from our machine learning parts in here. Let's close this one. So this is already saved in the setting 15 PSP-NITE folder file. So this is the one with the longitude, latitude. And please come to, I'm going to delete this, just a second. Delete. So please come to our VIX3 urban statistic folder and upload this starting file here. We're going to duplicate the name and copy paste onto here. Yeah. So this is our new, this is the CSV file that contains all the PSP.NET features. And this is our prediction like features that we don't need to change it depending on the model you trained. But if you use the default parameters, please just keep those items here. And this is the models that we're going to use to make the predictions and etc. So insert locations. Okay, let's just keep as it is. And the last but not least, please change this one to your desirable saving file, the name for your saving file. So I'm just going to do this setting, quality, yeah. So this is essentially the only two locations you need to change. And you can also add or remove more columns depending on your goal of prediction. Just going to run this and run this. Should be pretty quick, but sometimes you just need to refresh it. Yeah. Now this I think, yeah. So this quality would be our, going to open this. This one should be the outcome. So basically you have all the file IDs. We have the longitude, the latitude, and you can see row from 8 to 10, we have the prediction of ecologies, enclosure scales, for each of the locations in Satin. And feel free to throw these Excel sheets into your different data visualization softwares to see the distribution of different spatial qualities on our site. Thank you very much.